What up with it, Q at you, and as you can see from the title, a very special day, a day to appreciate music, show appreciation for physical media, and really support artists that are doing things that you can appreciate from a musician standpoint. So today's a different video, not creating anything, but we're just doing an unboxing as you can see from the title. And let's go ahead and get into it, man. And just to know, it's so easy to pick this up and just listen to whatever music that you want, you know, with all the streaming platforms. But as we know, the pay rate they give isn't great at all. So by all means, if you come across some art or artists that you really support, go out there if they have any merch or they offer their art on any kind of physical media. Go out there and support it. I mean, I think that's the right thing to do. Nonetheless, it's up to you. But today, we got somebody. Oh yeah, great project. Let God Sort 'Em Out by the Clips. Long time coming. If you haven't heard this project, go out there and check it out. As far as I'm aware, it's on all major streaming platforms. And even before I heard anything, I just had belief that they were going to deliver something that was great. Their rollout was incredible. So I pre-ordered this and heard the project, and I regret it 0%. I don't even know if I'm gonna bust this out, honestly. This might just be a little collector's item for me. So we got Let God Sort 'Em Out right here, Virginia. That's where they from. Frozen. I don't know the meaning behind that. You know, it could be a lot of different meanings behind that. But Clips, birdie cover, white. And then let's check out the back. Let God Sort 'Em Out with their different logos on here. And what color is the vinyl? Oh, it's got it right there. Opaque white vinyl. So this has the white vinyl in there. Super, super dope and cleansed. I don't even know if I'm going to bust it open, but we'll see. But even more importantly, arguably, is I have a CD as well. So I ordered the vinyl and the CD. And here's the CD right here. Pretty cool artwork right there. Got everything right there on the back. That's pretty dope. Track listing. So I will bust open the CD. So let's bust this guy open. And let me get a little X-Acto knife. Kind of be precise here. Boom. Go through there. Put this up real quick. Alright. Nonetheless, bust this open. Little CD sleeve, nice little graphics, a little bit more fidelity for those of us who care about that, you know what I mean, on the CD. And then, oh, that's cool. So got a little booklet right here. You open it up, those two with the graphics on top of their faces, but still the hands. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it can open this way as well, so right there and right there. So let's open it right here. I don't want to mess it up. And that's the part that's super dope. So I did get the autographed CD. I didn't know. I thought it was going to be on the actual cover right here, or maybe on the CD. But they have a little graphic card right here. And I got a little scrapbook, once again, trying to get into the analog world, saving physical media, including my memories and pictures and stuff. That's another thing, man. You might want to print out some pictures. You never know. Most of our pictures are online, they're digital, but for some reason, I've just felt the need to have a little scrapbook with physical pictures, because I just, think it's cool. I like the aesthetics of it, and you never know. Your phone blow up and all your memories gone, or your Facebook get deleted or whatever, and nothing's left. But nonetheless, got the sleeve in there, and there go the autographs right there. I can see it. Pusha T, Malice. And that's it. That's super dope. I'm very excited about this. Gonna add it to my scrapbook, as I said. Super dope. I'm not even, I might play the CD. I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah, these are gonna be my collectibles. Yeah, I probably will play the CD since it's already open. The vinyl I'll probably leave, in the sleeve, unless I find a reason not to have it in there. But super dope, man. Anyway, let me know if you've heard this album. Do you like it? Also, Alfredo too. Well, Freddie Gibbs and Alchemist, absolutely fire. So I'm loving this resurgence of lyrics and hip hop. I mean, there's always been people putting out lyrics, but let me say the popularity of lyrics in hip hop. It's super dope that that's going on right now. But anyway, if you heard this project, let me know if you like it down in the comment section below. What's your favorite track? What's the track that you like the least? Let me know all that down there below. Any other dope rappers that you guys may know about, any dope instrumentalists, producers that you know, put them down in the comment section below. And until next time, it's been your boy Q with a quick one hollering at you. Peace.